In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Overstock affiliate program. To get started, head over to the Overstock website so you know exactly which brand you want to promote. However, the affiliate program itself is usually managed through an affiliate platform rather than directly on the storefront. In most cases, this means you'll need to create a publisher account with an affiliate network such as CJ Affiliate if you don't already have one. This account is what allows you to apply, manage links, and track commissions in one place. Once your affiliate platform account is ready, log in and search for Overstock inside the network dashboard. When you find the program, open the program details page and review the information carefully. Then click Apply or Join Program to begin the application process. This part is straightforward, but it's important to make sure you understand the program terms before moving ahead. During the application, you may be asked to provide details about your online presence. This can include your website URL, your blog or content platform, your social media accounts, your traffic sources, and the promotional methods you plan to use. The main goal here is to show that you have a real audience and a clear way to promote products. Before submitting, make sure your content looks complete, active, and professional, because that can improve your chances of approval. After you submit the application, the next step is simply to wait for approval. Overstock will usually review your account and your traffic sources to decide whether you're a good fit for the program. This can take a few days, so be patient and keep an eye on your affiliate platform notifications. Once you're approved, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard. This is where you'll find useful tools like affiliate links, banners, product feeds, performance reports, and tracking tools. Take a little time to explore this area because it's the control center for your affiliate activity. Next, generate your affiliate links. You can choose specific products or entire categories to promote, depending on the kind of content you create. The dashboard will give you unique tracking links so any qualifying sales can be credited to your account. From there, start promoting Overstock products through channels that fit your audience, such as blog posts, product reviews, YouTube videos, Pinterest, Facebook pages, or email newsletters. Finally, when someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase within the cookie window, you can earn a commission. Reported rates are often around 3 to 6% per sale, with a 14-day cookie duration, although that can vary depending on the network and current promotion.